In this video, I'll show you how you can remove followers on Instagram. If you decide that you don't want somebody to follow you and see what you're posting on your Instagram profile, then you can easily remove them from your followers list. Maybe you want to switch your account to private and control who can see your posts and reels. The process is the same for both iOS and Android devices. You want to open your Instagram app and then go to your Instagram profile. Once you are on your profile, you will see 3 buttons at the top. You can see the posts, followers, and following list. Let's click the middle button where it says followers. And it's gonna open the list with all the accounts that follow us, and they can all see our posts and stories. You can search for a specific account by typing the username in the search bar, or you can simply find an account by scrolling. And when you find an account which you want to remove, you just need to tap on this remove button. You'll get this pop-up saying that Instagram won't notify the specific account that you removed them from your followers list. So they won't get a notification that they're removed. Click on remove one more time to confirm your decision. And that account will be removed from your Instagram followers list, and they won't be able to see your posts, stories, reels, and so on. And there is another way that you can remove a person from the followers list. You want to open the profile of the person which you want to remove, and then tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. We will see this menu with a bunch of options, and we just need to tap on remove follower. Those are the 2 ways how you can remove a follower on Instagram and prevent them from following you. There isn't an unfollow all button because Instagram doesn't give us that feature yet, but hopefully they will in the future. So, if this video was helpful, then leave a like on it, and I'll see you in the next one.